Thinking about investing? Whether it's mutual funds or digiPortfolio, your journey starts with an investment ID. What is an investment ID? An investment ID is your unique identifier for investing with DBS Bank. It's a one-time setup that allows you to seamlessly invest in mutual funds and digiPortfolio. Without an investment ID, you cannot invest. But don't worry, it's quick and easy to set up. How to create your investment ID. Step 1. Log into your DigiBank by DBS India app. Step 2. Go to the investment section, tap on Start Investing, and select Create Investment ID. Step 3. Verify your details. Fill in your PAN details. Complete KYC. Step 4. Complete mandatory declarations. Fill in a few simple declarations like your risk profile and investment suitability. Step 5. Click on Create ID now. Start investing today. Take your first step toward investing. Create your investment ID today.